We all know that having confidence can make life easier. At the very least, we are more motivated to act. So we are more likely to do things and try things that improve our lives. But imagine for a moment that you have low confidence. You don't believe in yourself. You worry that you might not be successful, and you maybe even don't think that you're good enough to do something. But you forget one thing, that we have likely all done things in our lives where we were not confident in our abilities. I mean, let's take an example. Most of us learn to ride a bike, and after falling over a few times, we probably had a very little confidence that we could ever learn. Is that right? But somehow we did it. And after taking a life worth of actions without the self-confidence to do so, we have likely demonstrated a whole lot of courage. So, no matter what your level of confidence, try to remember that you are still building important skills. You are either building confidence or courage, and both of those are good. If you're not sure how much confidence you have, start by asking how much you agree or disagree with these questions. Okay, and let's get started.